Ready, jump, set, go! Go, Rumi! Show them your power!
Too slow. Eat my dust.
We'll see about that!
Let's go! Yeah!
Jump! Woo! We did it! Awesome!
Only the strong.
Whoa!
Side by side they stood that day.
Down in the mid-shadows, not like this. I'm so sorry.
Useless week. I wasted my time on a loser like you, Rumi.
Look at yourself.
You're pathetic. We are done.
This is what real power looks like. I am the champion.
Mira, you are amazing. A true queen. I knew I picked the winning team. We are going to run this island together.
Last time you ran, we will come back stronger.
This is how the story begins. Run, little Rumi, run. Your heart is stronger than anyone.
The golden grain, pure energy.
Mira felt the
From
jealousy
ancient bone and
rise
golden grain,
inside.
rise up strong, forget the pain. Drink,
Push Rumi down
drink,
with a
let the gold fill your empty bones. Come back to me.
Rumi fell crying on the dusty ground while Mira won as the crowd cheered loud.
You are amazing, a true king born of bones and gold. No one can defeat you.
Because she crossed the
Woo,
line.
go, Rooster, go! This is the best ride ever. Faster!
That night, under the banana tree, Rumi whispered softly, you'll see.
Woo, let's fly higher! This is incredible! Onward!
She made a costume
Let's
of
ride into the
gold
sunset, my
and
friend.
mentally
Feel the wind in your wings.
It's the last competition of the year between Rumi and Mira for the champion title.
Rumi, run, now your magic's just begun. Hold your courage, hold it tight when you race with heart and might. When we tried with all her might, but
Go ahead, Mira, you can do it!
wins the fight. Run, little Rumi, run, your heart is
Faster, we're gaining on them. Not for long. Go, go! Ha! Eat our dust. We'll see about that. Try to keep up. You wish. Ha! Not a chance. We'll see about that. Faster! Victory will be mine. You can't win with me. The flames look so inviting. Let's roost for a moment. Feel the heat. So invigorating. Onward! Out of our way! Yes! Faster, buddy. We're gonna win. Woo, this is amazing. Yeah, keep going.
Hey, Mira, I didn't expect this from you!
Faster, buddy. Yeah, you got this. I'm the champion.
Hey, Mira, you should be ashamed. If you lose to Rumi, I will go to Rumi now. You won. This is for you.
Wow, thank you. This is amazing.
You earned it.
I love it.
I am very sorry I made a mistake. I have come back to you again.
I'm glad you did.
I love you so much.
I love you too. This is perfect.
Every step was tough for the gentle child, but Rumi held on, smiling through the fear. Her little chicken chirp.
You walked with a heart so gentle, with a tiny monster by
That's it, keep going! Yeah, go, go!
You won't defeat me, Rumi. I will be the champion. Don't underestimate me, Mira.
Monster strong.
Come on, Rumi! Go! Go, go!
Time for the challenge. Mira shouted. Crowds were roaring loud.
Faster, old bones. We've got this. Not so fast. We're right behind you.
Rumi held his
Hey,
monster
don't push so hard.
closer.
But we're going faster. Whoa, okay, keep pushing. Want to take a little break? Shut up, Mira.
When the whistle blew that day, the world turned cold, the skies turned gray.
Try to keep up. We're way ahead.
But
Not
this
for
is
long.
the
We'll see.
rise of
This
the
is so exciting. Hold on tight. Almost there. Eat my dust, Slowpoke.
In your dreams, bonehead!
Ha! We'll see.
You're going down!
The golden trophy belongs to me.
Rumi stood
Ah,
strong.
out of my way.
He gave it his all.
You see, you deserve this.
You can
Victory is
throw
mine.
stones, you can laugh out loud. But a true hero rises from the ground. This is the
Victory is mine.
rise of the monster.
It's okay. I'll always be here with you.
Mira's monster pushed in thunder. Rumi's friend fell
Okay,
to
Rumi.
the
Go inside and get some rest.
You did your best. Try to get some rest.
Tears from Mira filled
You did your
the
best.
air.
Try to get some rest.
But Rumi only felt the hurt.
As they walked away
This is exactly what I've been looking for.
tomatoes falling from the sky. Rumi whispered, we'll get stronger.
This is exactly what I've been looking
Together
for.
we can learn to fly.
He opened up that ancient chest, found a book that whispered.
This is exactly what my dinosaur needs. Here you go. Try drinking a little.
'Cause this is the rise of the monster. A tale of courage deep inside.
Awaken, ancient guardian, and heed my call. Rise with the storm's fury.
Travel where the magic free the heart, ignite the flame. Let the world remember your name. This is the rise of the monster. With a burst of light, the world stood still. The weak became mighty with unbroken will. Rumi smiled softly. Now
You
you're
brought it
free.
here and thought you could defeat me.
We'll
This
show
time will be
them
different.
all what we can.
Woo! Let's go! Best match ever! Best match!
This is the
Let's go! Right behind you!
rise of the monster. Now here
We're pulling ahead. Keep pushing. Not for long. We're right behind you. Try to keep up.
started.
Faster! Don't let them catch up! We're gaining on them! Push harder! Yes! We can still win this! You should give up. You can't defeat me.
The crowd.
Never Mira.
He proved his spirit strong and proud. This is the rise of the monster. Yes, this is the rise of Rumi's
What's happening? This can't be happening. No! No!
Rumi
Goodbye,
held
Mira.
his monster closer, whispered you'll be
Onward, Rexy! Let's explore! Wow, we're stuck! Come on, break free! She won! She actually won!
Blue that day, the
I did it.
world turned cold, the skies turned gray. But